Bingo. Punch monkey, don't punch back. Yellow. Punch monkey, don't punch back. Yellow. Punch monkey, don't punch back. Yellow.
Lord God, somebody shoot me.
Punch monkey, don't punch back. Yellow.
Well, I'm back in the bluegrass state scrapping. I've got, in case you didn't know that already, so I don't think I told you. Let's try this again. Take 2. Welcome, Scrapping for Cash friends. I am back in the great state of Kentucky, bluegrass state, doing some scrapping. Let's get after it. And for whoever heard that intro, no, I'm not drunk, I'm driving. No, I'm not on drugs, don't do drugs. I know that sounded extremely positive and uplifting message for me, which would cause some of you to set your hair on fire and run out of the house naked screaming. But I wanted to give an intro to let you know where I'm at, which I'm in Lexington, Kentucky. A little something, something. Things here, a few things there. And corns. A little bit. Little something. I think that's the remnants of the TV is what that is. I'm going to take this because I've always wanted to take one of these apart. See what it looks like. A little something. And something else. A little bit here, a little bit there. More luck than I was having in Lebanon. This looks like somebody just moved out, just threw all their shit out. There's a bunch in there, man. Bunch of metal in there, but man, it's gonna rip my rib out trying to get that stuff out of there. See it way over there? And the hook is good for hooking stuff. That's straight metal. Yeah, I'm not gonna hook that good. So let's just keep on keeping on. See if there's something else in here. And down here is the sex toy dumpster. So somewhere in this apartment complex, a little pervert, or you know, somebody just having trouble finding a date, I guess. A little bit of this, a little bit of that, a little bit of nothing. Looks like nothing. Nothing. It's a good thing I don't have smell-o-vision right now, because Lord God. Whew. That was ripe. I mean, really ripe. So we got another one up here. Then one more. That'll finish this run out. Why do y'all have trash parked out here? Must be a reason for it. Why don't I have my phone? It's down here. I was gonna go in there, but that dude eyeballing me. That guy's got some kind of overheating problem going on. How do you know that? He's got a gallon of antifreeze on the front of his car with the hood up. So, let's see if I can do a turnaround here without getting jammed up. I think I'm okay. Good shape. Motorcycle. Not a damn thing. A little something. I don't see a cord. I don't know if it's a retractable cord. I think there was a cord, so I cut it, but I will take this. As my yard takes them. There's something else in here, shelf, something. Weird little shelf action. Something, something. There's the rest of them down there. Everybody is throwing good stuff away. And it's always at the bottom. Okay. Next. I don't know why you throw that away. There's a lot of trash. I don't think I'm going to be able to get anything.
I could go dumpster diving.
I don't think so. Get in the truck. I saw the lampshade. I figured that there would be a lamp, but screwdriver. I should take that. If it was anything other than a dishwasher, I'd probably take it. Bluegrass scrapping. Stop. Crap. I don't really know what that was. Thought that might be worth keeping, but looks like it's got some water damage. Walmart. I'll take it. Figure it out later. Much worth grabbing. We're gonna go to jail. Nada. And nothing. Well, that's something. Look, it's 5:33.
Yeah, we're late. 3 minutes late, which means 6 toe touches.
I don't know what a toe touch is.
My dinosaur! No, I want to do it. John, I want to. No.
Hey, give it up.
Yeah, give it up. Sucker. There we go.
I think I turned left on Sundart.
Then you turn left again. Bingo. Bingo. Punch monkey, don't punch back yellow. Punch monkey, don't punch back yellow. Punch monkey, don't punch back yellow.
Lord God, somebody shoot me.
Punch monkey, don't punch back yellow.
You know, it's just amazing to me how this happens. But sometimes that's just how it goes. Did y'all see this? Sharks, more cords, more vacuum cleaners than I can shake a stick at, people. Quite a few. It's dark in there. On to the next one. And that last 2 vacuum pickup with cords, that was me tooling down that road and just happened to look over and see that there's a dumpster there. That was really my only reason for stopping, was the dumpster. Just having better luck at dumpsters. Asshole.